Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to talk about how someone or something was in the past in French? Welcome to 3-Step French Practice by FrenchPod101.com. In this lesson, you will practice conjugating verbs in the imperfect tense. Let's look at the main dialogue. Two people are having a conversation. Il adorait courir dans le jardin derrière la maison. He loved running in the garden behind the house. On dirait qu'il était vraiment heureux. It seems he was really happy. Il adorait. Il était. Both of these sentences include verbs in the imparfait or imperfect tense. We use the imperfect in French to describe what someone or something was like in the past, to talk about repeated or habitual past actions, or to give background details in a story. This is different from le passé composé, which is used for completed actions. Let's quickly review how the imperfect is formed for 3 key verb types. Avoir, to have. J'avais, tu avais, il, elle, on avait. Nous avions, vous aviez, il, elle avait. Être, to be. J'étais, tu étais, il, elle, on était. Nous étions, vous étiez, ils, elles étaient. And regular et verbs like adorer. J'adorais, tu adorais, ils, elles, on adorait. Nous adorions, vous adoriez, ils, elles adoraient. In the dialogue, adorait and était, from adorer and être, are used in context. In this lesson, we'll keep practicing how to describe people, feelings, and habits in the past using these common verbs in the imperfect. Let's get started. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Remember, we are practicing imperfect. Ready? Une amie qui habitait à côté. Une amie qui habitait à côté. Avait. Avait. J'avais une amie qui habitait à côté. J'avais une amie qui habitait à côté. I had a friend who lived next door. We use avait in this sentence because it's the imperfect form of avoir, used to describe a past state. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Tu. Très drôle quand tu racontais des histoires. Tu. Très drôle quand tu racontais des histoires. Était. Était. Tu étais très drôle quand tu racontais des histoires. Tu étais très drôle quand tu racontais des histoires. You were very funny when you told stories. We use était in this sentence because it's the imperfect of être, used to describe a past characteristic. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Il, un chien qui s'appelait Max. Il, un chien qui s'appelait Max. Avait. Avait. Il avait un chien qui s'appelait Max. Il avait un chien qui s'appelait Max. He had a dog named Max. We use avait because it's the imperfect form of avoir, used to describe past possession. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Ready? Nous étions souvent en retard. Nous étions souvent en retard pour. Nous étions souvent en retard pour le. Nous étions souvent en retard pour le bus. We were often late for the bus. Nous étions souvent en retard pour le bus. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Remember, we are practicing imperfects. Ready? Vous auriez, or aviez, une voiture rouge, non? Vous auriez, or aviez, une voiture rouge, non? Aviez. Aviez. Vous aviez une voiture rouge, non? You had a red car, right? Aviez is used here because it's the imperfect of avoir, used to describe a possession in the past. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. Ready? Ils étaient, or seraient, toujours ensemble à la récréation. Ils étaient, or seraient, toujours ensemble à la récréation. Était. Était. Ils étaient toujours ensemble à la récréation. They were always together at recess. Était is used here because it's the imperfect of être, used to describe repeated behavior in the past. Let's translate some sentences into French. Translate I watched television every evening into French. Je. I, the subject pronoun, followed by regardais. Watched, the imperfect of the verb regarder. Next, la. The feminine singular article, followed by télévision. television. Next, to. Every, plural masculine form, followed by les soirs. Evenings. Regardait is used here because it's the imperfect of regarder. In the first person singular form, je. It shows a repeated or habitual action in the past. Je regardais la télévision tous les soirs. Je regardais la télévision tous les soirs. I watched television every evening. Translate you loved morning cartoons into French. Tu, you, the subject pronoun, followed by adorait, loved, the imperfect of adorer. Next, les, the plural definite article, followed by dessin animé. Cartoons, literally animated drawings. Next, du. Of the, a contractions of de, le. Followed by matin. Morning. Adorait is used here because it's the imperfect of adorer. In the second person singular form, tu. It describes something you enjoyed regularly in the past, an habitual action. Tu adorais les dessins animés du matin. Tu adorais les dessins animés du matin. You loved morning cartoons. Translate, she sang in the shower every morning, into French. Elle, she, the subject pronoun, followed by chantait. Sang, the imperfect of chanter. Next, sous. Under, used here as in the shower. Followed by là. The feminine singular article. Next, douche. Shower. Followed by chaque. Each or every. Next, matin. Morning. Chantait is used here because it's the imperfect of chanter. In the third person singular form, elle. It describes a repeated or habitual action in the past. Elle chantait sous la douche chaque matin. Elle chantait sous la douche chaque matin. She sang in the shower every morning. Listen to me as I speak. Which imperfect verb is used in the sentences? Tu étais très drôle quand tu racontais des histoires. Let's listen one more time. Tu étais très drôle quand tu racontais des histoires. Did you hear? Était. Était meaning you were is the imperfect of être, describing personality or states in the past. How about vous aviez une voiture rouge, non? Let's listen one more time. Vous aviez une voiture rouge, non? Did you hear? Aviez. Aviez meaning you had is the imperfect of avoir, used for past ownership or descriptions. Next, il avait un chien qui s'appelait Max. One more time. Il avait un chien qui s'appelait Max. Did you hear? Avait. Avait meaning he had is the imperfect of avoir, describing possession in the past. And tu adorais les dessins animés du matin. One more time. Tu adorais les dessins animés du matin. Did you hear? Adorait. Adorait meaning you loved is the imperfect of adorer, describing something done regularly. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to talk about how someone or something was in the past in French. And now you can move on to the next lesson in the past way. Au revoir!